Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it.
I warned you.
Uh-oh.
Finally.
Oh, wow.
You would not listen.
Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me. Jada, 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 Jada.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth!
Jada, 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 Jada. 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 Wow.
How incredibly disappointing.
Keep my wife's
Come
name
on, then.
out your fucking mouth!
Jada, 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 Jada. It was a G.I. Jane jump. Jada.
My wife's name out your fucking mouth!
Wow, dude.
My wife's name out your fucking mouth!
G.I. Jane jump. Uh-oh.
Struck a nerve, did I?
Jada. 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 That was a greatest night in the history of television. Okay.
Care to try again?
Will Smith.
You talk too much.
Out your fucking mouth!
Jada, 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 Jada.
You won't talk? Fine. Maybe whoever it is you got stashed in that house will.
Jada, 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 Jada.
Let's fight.
Out your fucking mouth!
Leaving so soon?
Jada. Jada, 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 Jada.
I can't feel any of this.
Jada.
You've seen it with your own eyes. You can't hurt me. Nothing can. This fight is pointless. Your struggle is pointless. It didn't have to be this way.
It was a G.I. Jane jump.
You can't win. I feel nothing. But you feel everything, yet you...
Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth!
Jada.
I'd hope that you, of everyone I'd faced, would finally make me
My
feel
wife's
something
name
like you
out your
can.
fucking mouth!
I'm going to, okay?